Introducing the 2020 Ram 1500.
Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower.
And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain.
Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, a trailer hitch, a bedliner, and one-touch window functionality. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.